Hello, our article today is called Downtime Allergy, The Miracle of Multitasking, an article by Elias Abu-Jaudi. First, we're going to look at some vocabulary. Our first word is excessive, which means to do too much of one thing. Then we've got knee-jerk responses, which are responses that are made without much thought or reflection. The most pronounced effect is the most significant effect, and desperately means to want something very badly. Next we have novel, which means unique and new. Blurred means fuzzy or unclear. Downtime means free time to relax, and downsides are disadvantages. And our last two terms are connected here. Deliberate means to think carefully about, and what is at stake means what the consequence might be, what the domino effect might be. Now I'm going to read through the article for you. Downtime allergy, the miracle of multitasking. Where did you meet? Goes the common question, to which the answer increasingly is online. In our thinking, cyberspace is, well, a space, a place to visit, run away to, maybe even inhabit. Terms such as chat room, website, and home page speak to this notion. They present virtual life as a response to a where question. But virtual life has also changed how we experience and manage time, and online is just as valid a response to a when question. Excessive internet users, for example, have a hard time noticing the passage of time and often wonder how time just flew by as they sat in front of the browser window. Also, in emails, texts, and tweets, we often shy away from reflection or writing that takes time in favor of speedy, knee-jerk responses and posts. But the most pronounced effect may be how desperately we seem to want to fill up our time. Our new concept of space may have expanded geographically into novel territory, cyberspace, but our new concept of time is shrunken and preoccupied with making full use of this present moment. And what a busy moment it is, for it is given to fulfilling all of the items on our to-do list simultaneously through the miracle of multitasking. This involves putting digital technology to use in order to squeeze as many activities as possible out of the same time slot. Texting while driving, emailing a friend while taking a business call, or Facebooking while doing homework. As a result, our new time is not of the sequential sort that sees us progressing in tasks from A to B to C, but rather a point in time, one that blends work, play, and everything in between. We live by a new and blurred calendar. One consequence of the digital revolution is the explosive growth in productivity. Another is that we are now constantly on call for work. The lines that separated weekends from weekdays, 8 to 5, from the rest of the 24-hour cycle, and workdays from holidays or vacations now feel antiquated. In our hyper-connected culture, true time off does not exist in any practical sense anymore, and we seem to have grown allergic to downtime. Yet idle time, when all electronic gadgetry is off, is necessary for our ability to assess the world and our place in it. Lose that productive idleness, and we lose the opportunity to reflect, which includes reflecting on the downsides of the new technologies that are keeping us so busy, and without that ability to deliberate what is at stake, we will automatically upgrade to the next model, which seemingly, inevitably, will only be faster and only add more pressure on our time. And so the cycle goes. Thank you for listening.